Hi, Sir Dwayne! Happy birthday! May you have more blessings to come! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Sir Dwayne! Happy birthday, Sir Dwayne! From AMD, we wish you a happy birthday, Sir Dwayne.
From the HRAD department,
Happy birthday, Sir Dwayne!
Hi Sir Dwayne, happy birthday. Alam ko hindi magkakala yung edad natin. So, happy 48th birthday. Sana maging mas memorable yung birthday mo ngayon Sir Dwayne. Kahit anong busy ka, sana ma-celebrate mo yung birthday mo ngayon. And best wishes Sir Dwayne. Take care always Sir Dwayne. Bye.
Thank you.